Now, following the turmoil on Wall Street on Wednesday amid the COVID-19 fears that are sweeping the globe, South Korean stocks also plunged yet again, unfortunately, on this Thursday. For more, we have our Yoon Jung-min on the line. Jung-min, just walk us through the carnage we're currently witnessing on the local markets.
Well, sure, Mark. As of 11:30 a.m., both the benchmark KOSPI and the tech-heavy KOSDAQ have fallen by more than 4% each. In fact, the KOSPI collapsed way below the 1900 mark. It's down almost 4% to around 1832. The KOSDAQ tumbled around 4.5% to 568. This follows the decision by the WHO to characterize COVID-19 as a pandemic on Wednesday. Although the WHO has said the outbreak can be controlled, it definitely did not help settle investors.
Yes, and we'll get to more on that shortly, but we'll have to keep an eye on all things related to that until the markets close here in Asia today, because it isn't just South Korea suffering at the moment. But let's turn our attention to Wall Street. Bad news there as well for investors. The Dow entered bear territory market for the first time in more than a decade, and that's when the world was swept by the financial crisis. Give us the details and, more importantly, the numbers.
Yeah, you're right. The COVID-19 pandemic hit Wall Street hard on Wednesday as markets there tumbled again. The Dow Jones Industrial Average plunged over 5% to 23,553, entering bear market territory for the first time since 2009 amid global financial crisis. Now it's more than 20% below the record close set last month. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq shed nearly 5% each. Markets in Europe weren't affected by the WHO's announcement as it came after markets closed. But Europe also closed lower as investors monitor the spread of the coronavirus. That's all from me at this hour. Mark?